Region 13 Advice and Distinguished Toastmaster, Liana Kwan.
Thank you so much, MC. Much, MC. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Didi Chunming, is it the spirit of District 102? Alright, when I say good afternoon, everyone, I want all of you to answer me, good afternoon, okay? And then when I say, how are you today? Excellent. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, with full of spirit. How are you today? Excellent. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, at least I believe in District 102 now. Two more minutes.
You are the reason my heart keeps bleeding.
4, 5, 6.
Build pyramid like what I mentioned. Okay, 15 times 15.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Exactly 15 times.
yes,
Okay.
exactly. And then you must make sure that size.
Okay.
So 3 sides different Egyptian god.
Okay, right.
3 different gods and 1 eyes of Ra.
Okay, right.
Okay, and
Our treasure chest.
oh, treasure, yes. Okay.
Oh.
Make sure here also.
You need to submit to me, and then you do not know who am I.
Okay. Oh, that is like, wait. I think it's like exploding. It's exploding.
Yeah, that's why enough.
Yeah, really,
It's
our pyramid. Small part first. Okay.
I hold the base.
Done. With all the requirements requested by the king. Last forever. 70%.
90%.
90%.
I think I need more time.
You need more time.
Yes.
Now you ask me, you need more time. Why when I asked you just now, you did not mention that you need more time? Mention a sales pitch. Why should I choose your pyramid the best one?
Okay.
Okay? 10 minutes with presentation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry. 30 seconds is from now, is it? Or is it like...
Now,
No.
start.
Already start when you say now. Start counting.
Our pyramid, nasi lemak pyramid is, you see, all red, waterproof, any rain shine, no problem. And also, we are very solid, see? No problem. Forever, many generation. And also, tahan rasa. And also, it's a multi-racial, multicultural, 1 Egypt.
And one animal.
And fully packed with treasures of nasi lemak. And it's very secure. See, it won't break. And of course, most important is we have special QC, you see? All protected. And we have goddess of now, goddess of cat, all protected forever and ever, many generations. So let's get this right, and we are ahead of time. Time is precious. Yes, true.
Yes? Nasi lemak?
Pyramid.
Our nasi lemak?
Pyramid.
Our nasi lemak? Pyramid. Group 3? 3, 3, 3.
So, the name here. Okay, why you should buy our pyramid? Because our pyramid works. Okay, it's not just for show. Okay, at the drawing table, we already designed according to the pyramid. The pyramid ratio is the golden ratio. Okay, and everything is in one piece. And then here you have 4 gods, which is in contrast with each other. First, you have the eyes of Ra, okay, which is the sun, and then the opposite is the segment. Okay, that is the enemy of Ra. And then here you have Isis, is the goddess of life and feminine one. And then here you have Anubis, which is the god of death. So this one is a pyramid that really works. What is the function of pyramid? It's a tomb. So you want to, in afterlife, you want to live here, this will give you immortality. Please buy our pyramid. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Please give a round of applause. Please go back to your...
Our pyramid is
Sturdy.
sturdy,
Waterproof.
waterproof, long-lasting, magical.
Healing.
And you don't look at this pyramid, it's a square. Inside we have a solid foundation with round pillars. And this is not only for tomb or have dead bodies. This we have healing powers. We bring hope, we bring dream, and this live with legacy. This is our pyramid, the new great pyramid.
Okay, thank you so much, people. Please give a round of applause to them. Alright, next. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are from Team 5.
So, this is the special pyramid over here. About 1,000 years ago, we actually sat down together with the advisors and also with the ideas of the king. We built a special pyramid, and this pyramid is blue in color because all the mummies inside there will be always cool, because in a very hot desert this will protect them forever. Now here we have the Eye of Ra. Now why we draw the opposite side is because we are always looking to the top. We want to go to the top at the peak of the pyramid, and the other three will be the Ra, which is the perspective.
Okay, bye, thank you.
Our pyramid looks like a nasi lemak.
Okay.
Wait. This one is not a pyramid for this like this for the past one. This one is a futuristic pyramid. It is to survive on another planet like Mars. You see the bottom here is not waterproof like all of yours. This is soaks up the juice, you know, the water. So that the people inside here not dead, the people in here live. And if you see here, we choose pink color, not like this old color. This is pink color because we believe in feminism. It's 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, we also take an effort. What if there is something that lands on this tip very sharp, you know? We wanted to make it rounder.
Okay, bye, thank you.
22 centimeter.
Oh.
21 centimeter.
Oh.
20 centimeter. 20.5 centimeter.
Oh.
Wow. Belum apa-apa already open.
Too cold.
20. Yes, 20 centimeter. 20. Yes, 20.
Today is teamwork. If you ask me to do this for myself, actually I cannot do it. But throughout the teamwork, then we do a very good, this is what we do. So I feel that teamwork is very important. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick. My name is Ken. I'm from the group number 2. I'm a lucky guy. I have a LCLY chief, and I have a very good teammates in group 2. First, when you ask what's my emotion when you suddenly change the dimension, right? I got no feeling because we not even started yet.
First thing that we did is we did a skill check or inventory check. We double check who can cut, who can measure, then we also check who can draw, then we assign the task accordingly. Because as you have said, we cannot choose who our teammates are, but we can always choose how we respond to things when we are put in a group. Normally, what I like about our group is the ego was not there. Everyone just say, I can do this, I can do that, then we work on it.
Yes.
What I see is there's a lot of changes. Not only, we don't get to choose who our members are, but I can see all my members, they are fully committed. They give full initiative. And while we are doing brainstorming and we give ideas, I think even though we didn't get to choose, but we work as a team immediately. That's how fast we adapt to the changes. And that proves that everyone here is a leader. Thank you.
Lack of experience and expertise. However, we boldly took up the challenge to continue with the project. What else? Yeah, we have a briefing, immediately we have followed by a briefing, and we have, I think we observe the 4 core values of Toastmaster. We respect each other's ideas. We have a quick briefing and we're brainstorming, and we serve with integrity and excellence, achieve the excellence. I want to clarify what the project manager has mentioned, that despite my facial expression while listening to, after learning the change, however, we stay cool and calm. We immediately remeasure. Also, yeah, we haven't, fortunate that we haven't cut the cardboard, but we stay cool and calm just to remeasure from 15 to 20 centimeter and continue with the project. So from here, we also learned about the time management. Time management is very important because at first, because due to lack of expertise and experience, we took quite a while. And later, we're rushing, the time management and the planning, and also the quality control at the end. Yeah, thank you.
And Brian said, you only have 10 minutes left. Just what 10 minutes? So that's how time goes by so fast, and without realizing it, we have gone past the last 5 months. So once we know that where we want to go towards with, and then once we have enough communication with our council members, our clubs, so I really look forward in the second half, we should take off, and we should see results that coming in time to come.
Hi everyone, I'm August from Team 6. So I believe today's training is to help us to build up our foundation as a leader, and there are 2 things that I've learned from the activity just now. Number 1 is no one is an island, and number 2 is aligned with the objectives. So let me start with number 1. No one is an island. So when we submitted the pyramid, right, we have less than 1 minute left. So what I observed is that my teammate, all of us, we work together, right? Like Luciana, Chloe, and then our district finance manager, Ikram, they took up the initiative to draw the god of Egypt, and then also the eye of Horus. Yeah. So without them, and also without like Stephanie and John to help us to draw the pyramid and fold the pyramid, I don't think we have enough time to finish the pyramid. So I believe because of the teamwork that no person is an island, that we managed to submit the pyramid on time. So that's the one thing that I learned. And the second thing, align with the objectives. So just now I mentioned we don't have enough time, right? So I was rushing on the pyramid. I was rushing, but then I didn't focus on the quality. So John actually took the initiative to align us on the objective, which is to build a pyramid that can last long. So thank you very much, John, and also thank you to all of my teammates. Back to you.
Okay, for the benefit of our area residency directors, what is strategic advisor? Strategic advisor is my superior, CP is my superior, okay? So we have boss as well, okay? My sharing on top, okay, many people have shared that about teamwork, about respecting the differences, appreciating the similarities and all that, and work as a team and all that. So time, I want to add about time. Just remember that you were also lucky that the Liana extended the time by 10 minutes, and then you have additional time to complete your task, right? So I want to stress that in real life, we are not that lucky. So I hope that you still remember that as area director, as division director, we have a lot of deadlines this term. Like October renewal is 30th September. Your AD report coming soon, 30th November. And there's no extension for that. Okay? And lastly, our 30th June 2023. That is our deadline to end this term with Distinguished Club, membership payment and all that. So there's no extension for all that. So bear in mind, take time seriously, plan your work well, and let's finish the term strong. Okay, thank you.